Everybody, Matt here for Layton Sports Cards, ripping 2020 Panini Rookies and Stars Football. 7-box break number 1, random teams. We have Austin T, Lions, Bears, Bob P, Broncos, Jets, C Chen, Chiefs, Daryl M, Redskins, Duncan M, Saints, Titans, Eric F, Texans, Giants, Gary L, Cowboys, Gary P, Packers, Niners, Graham M, Panthers, Browns, Harold B, Steelers, Jacqueline D, Dolphins, Joey H, Bills, Joshua A, Patriots, King W, Seahawks, Kevin B, Falcons, Jags, Nicholas D, Bengals, Noah H, Ravens, Sam J, Colts, Sam O, Rams, Stephanie J, Chargers, Stephen G, Vikings, Steve W, Raiders, Stephen S, Bucks, Thomas S, Eagles, and Tyler K, Cardinals. Good luck. Here we go. First look at rookies and stars this year. For the packs, there's Bengals rookie auto gold to 10, T Higgins. Nice looking card. Cincinnati. Robinson. All right. Jalen Rieger, rookie to 99. Tom Brady. Rookie Rush. Tua. They're hobby boxes. This is Bengals. Rookie jersey to 199, Joe Burrow. Rocks Blacklock, rookie to 49. Beauty. Tua, Ticketmasters. Lamar Jackson to 99. MK. Get it. 1 of 1. Printing plate Chiefs. Patrick Mahomes. Crusade. 1 of 1. Grads KC. Chen. There you go, Chiefs. Love. Good start here.
First box.
Yeah. Cardinals. Rookie auto. 75. Eno Benjamin. Kittle to 35. Edie. Chargers. Jersey to 199. Joey Bosa. We do have this in stock for personals, guys. It's Cole McDonald, rookie to 99. Hurts. Jets, rookie jersey auto to 99, LaMichael Pirine. Matt Ryan, 75. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. To 99, Brandon Ayuk. Chiefs, rookie dual jersey to 199, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Jonathan Taylor, rookie to 49. Colts. Yeah, there's a Layton Sports Cards Facebook group for confirmed customers. Jonathan Taylor, rookie to 99. Baker Mayfield, airborne purple, 50. Jags, rookie auto to 25, Jake Luton. Mike Evans, 35. Brady. Rookie rush, Tua. Rams, dual jerseys to 199, Jared Goff, Van Jefferson. Patrick Mahomes to 99. And what's up, Hector? Yeah, just make sure you shoot us an email after you order so I can make a note of it when I pull the box. Colts, rookie dual jersey to 199, Michael Pittman Jr. Von Miller to 99. Steelers, rookie jersey auto to 99, Chase Claypool. Go Pittsburgh. Purple, 50, Deshaun Watson. Four of 5, green, J.J. Watt. Go Texans. Eason. I'm sure they are. There are, Gary. I didn't see a checklist come out for this. Vikings dual patch to 25, Kirk Cousins, Justin Jefferson. Minnesota, there's Myles Garrett to 35. Von Chasen, rookie to 99. Barry Sanders, Crusade Gold. 25, maybe orange. Washington, rookie auto to 125, Antonio Gibson. Bobby Wagner, 99. Well, yeah, look at the price point. I mean, this is $50 a spot for a random team style. Not everything's going to be Panini flawless. As far as it being a collector product, I think it's cool. Redemption is Chiefs Dress for Success. That'll be a relic auto, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Go KC. Jerry Jeudy. Stayed rookie purple. 50. Derek Carr, 99. Yeah, I get it. I mean, not everybody's going to like it. Nothing's going to be universally liked. I just, I do think it's a cool product as far as, like, for collectors, especially, like, kids. I mean, 4 hits. box. Not too pricey. There's Chargers rookie dual jersey to 199. Joshua Kelly. My kids, I'm including myself. I would buy a box of something. Drew Lock to 99. Right. Yeah, Chiefs are doing great. Rookie to 49. Peter Gross Matos. I like the variety. There's Joe Burrow. Just as far as the amount of different stuff you see going through a pack. There's Cam Akers. Crusade gold to 10. Rams. In that sense, it kind of reminds me of like 91 score baseball. Patriots rookie auto gold to 10. Devin Asiasi. Quez Watkins to 99. Yeah, I saw Jeff Okuda in uniform in this too. Yeah, that's another thing, guys. Some of these players, Pinkney's not, but some of the players, seeing them in their NFL uniforms for the first time in this product. Washington rookie dual jersey to 199. Chase Young. There's still some combine picks. Well, they're not combine picks, I guess. We're seeing collegiate uniforms for some of them. Caffrey to 99.
Rather see them at the combine.
Yeah. 91 score was rough? Really? Nah. Dude, when I got my son into the hobby, we were buying like a bunch of old junk wax and then buying some new stuff. We broke a sealed factory set of there's Zeke 99 91 score baseball. That was probably his favorite thing to go through of all of it. Justin Herbert rookie. Herbert. '91 score football was awesome too. Bucks rookie dual jersey to 199. Tyler Johnson. 849. Albert Okwuegbunam. Clyde Rush. No, Jack. 39. Chris Jones. And rookie Crusade, orange Joe Burrow. 25. Nice Burrow. Chargers, the auto 75, Joshua Kelly. John Watson, 49. Actually thought that was going to be a lower number. Rush, Joe Burrow. Playoffs, another decent collector product. Seahawks, jersey to 199, DK Metcalf. High octane. Rookie to 49, Keyshawn Vaughn. Tyler. Titans. Rookie auto to 75, Cole McDonald. Crusade red 75, Chase Young. Oh, that sucks, Armando. I know they came out with a new product, like a Kobe product. Yeah, he started kind of getting back into it a little bit now, Jack. He was huge into it, like obsessed with it for a while, and then kind of fell off for a while. Alvin Cook to 99. Jets, dual jersey to 199, Sam Darnold, Denzel Mims. Dream Jag. Evan Duvernay, rookie gold to 10. Ravens, do a rookie rush. He mostly likes the newer stuff. Kirk Cousins to 10. Tom Brady. Darius Smith. Heroes. Remember, it's not. There's Clyde rookie. And Chiefs, 2 of 5. Crusade rookie auto camo, Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Nice one, Chiefs. Congrats. Chiefs are crushing it. Rookie, 49, Devin Asiasi. Holmes. What's up, C-Chen? Raiders, rookie jersey to 199, Henry Ruggs. Kyle Duggar, rookie gold to 10. No. Clyde is not a bust. He's people have to manage their expectations for running backs too. I mean, that position's evolving. Eagles 25, rookie auto camo, Jalen Reagor. Like, Clyde's not going to be Larry Johnson type. Packers to 50, Aaron Rodgers. He's going to catch a bunch of passes out of the backfield. He's going to be more than a gadget player, but I mean, he's not. He's already done more than I expected him to for his rookie year.
Just the run blocking. Any running back is a low yards per carry.
Yeah.
That's why they throw so much.
Roquan Smith to 99. Tua.
It's not why. One of the
Washington, that's dual jersey to 199. Dwayne Haskins, Antonio Gandy Golden. 9, Drew Lock. Rookie, 49, Derek Brown. Derek Brown in a Panthers there. Hurts. Saquon Barkley, Crusade, inked 50. Redemption. Niners, rookies, longevity signatures, Brandon Ayuk. San Francisco. Nick Chubb, 49. Higgins. Vikings. Rookie dual jersey to 199, Justin Jefferson. Matthew Stafford, 499, or I'm sorry, 49. Jags, rookie auto to 10, CJ Henderson, also in Daniel Jones, 75. That'll do it for the break. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. 7 box number 2 is up next.